Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Destiny. Let's start current affairs of 25th and 26th of April 2021. First question, Indian Air Force Chief RKS Bhadoria visited which country from April 19th to 23rd, 2021? Answer is a C, France. RKS Bhadoria visited France. We purchased Rafale jets from France. Rafale manufactured by French aerospace major Dassault Aviation. Capital of France is Paris. Currency is the euro. President is Emmanuel Macron. We'll see some of the organizations which are headquartered in Paris. One is a UNESCO. UNESCO is a United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. And second one is a OECD. Next, India builds infrastructure for 3 educational institutes in which country? Answer is a B, Nepal. India builds 3 educational institutes in Nepal. Capital of Nepal is a Kathmandu. President is a Bidya Devi Bhandari and Prime Minister is a KP Sharma Oli. Next, Singapore partners with which IIT to promote tech startups? Answer is a B, IIT Kanpur. Singapore partnered with IIT Kanpur for tech startups promotion. India is the third largest startup ecosystem in the world. Next, the Indian Green Building Council, part of the Confederation of Indian Industry, launched a IGBC mission on a net zero. Who is the president of Confederation of Indian Industry? Answer is A, Uday Kotak. Headquarter of CII is in New Delhi and target for this is net zero carbon emission by 2050. Next, which bank has acquired 9% equity stake in Techfino Capital Private Limited, a non-banking financial company? Answer is a DCB. DCB Bank has acquired 9% equity stake in a Techfino. We'll see about NBFC, difference between normal bank and non-banking financial companies. And NBFC is a company that provides banking services to the people without holding a bank license. And NBFC is incorporated under the Indian Company Act 1956, whereas banks is registered under Banking Regulation Act 1949. NBFCs do not form part of a payment and settlement system and cannot issue checks drawn on itself. NBFC cannot issue demand drafts like banks. Deposit insurance facility of Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation is not available to the depositors of NBFCs, unlike in a case of a banks. Also, another thing worth mentioning is that NBFCs tend to offer higher interest rate as compared to bank deposits. As far as lending is concerned, banks tend to target corporate as well as retailers. On the other hand, NBFCs are more geared towards the retail sector. For example, this could be in a vehicle finance, consumer loans, etc. You do not see them lending a big power projects as an example. Next, which organization released a study titled Gender Bias and Inclusive in Advertising in India? Answer is the C, UNICEF. UNICEF is United Nations Children's Fund, headquartered in New York, USA. Executive Director is Henrietta Fore. We'll see headquarter of a WHO is in Geneva, Switzerland. IMF headquarter is Washington DC, USA, and UNESCO headquarter is in Paris, France. Next, RBI extended ways and means limit of how much amount for states and UTs till September 30, 2021. Answer is A, 51,560 crore. This is because of the COVID-19 condition. We'll see what is ways and means advances. Ways and means advances are the temporary advances given by the RBI to the government to tide over any mismatch in the receipts and payments. Next news related to the RBI. RBI restricted American Express Bank Corporation and Diners Club International Limited, the payment system cooperators, from onboarding new domestic customers onto their card network from 1st May due to non-compliance with the directions on the storage of the payment system data. Next, SpaceX launched 4 astronauts on the NASA's mission to International Space Station through its Falcon 9 rocket, named the NASA's mission. Answer is D. SHIELDS. Long form of the SHIELDS is a Spatial Heterodyne Interferometric Emission Line Dynamics Spectrometer. Through this SHIELD mission, they want to survey windshield of the solar system. Next, Arjun Kalyan hailed from which state, who became India's 68th chess grandmaster after winning against Dragan Kosic of Montenegro in the 5th round of the ongoing Grandmaster round robin Rujna Zora 3 in Serbia. Answer is D. Tamil Nadu. Arjun Kalyan, he is from Tamil Nadu. Next, World Table Tennis Championship 2021 will be held in Houston, USA. International Table Tennis Federation has confirmed that World Table Tennis will be held in Houston, USA. International Table Tennis Federation headquartered is in Lausanne, Switzerland. We'll see some of the important dates. 24th to 30th of April, World Immunization Week. Theme is a vaccine bring us closer. 24th of April is an International Day for Multilateralism and Diplomacy for the Peace. 24th of April, World Day for Laboratory Animals. 24th of April is a World Veterinary Day. Theme for the World Veterinary Day is the veterinarian response to the COVID-19 crisis. 24th of April is a National Panchayati Raj Day. 25th of April is a World Malaria Day. Theme for the World Malaria Day is reaching the zero malaria target. Next, Coal India signed its first solar power purchase pact with whom for the sale of 100 megawatt solar power. Answer is a C. Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited. Coal India signed MOU with Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited. Next, we'll see Coal India Limited established in 1975. Chairman cum MD is Pramod Agarwal. Headquartered is in Kolkata, West Bengal. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. CM is Vijay Rupani. Governor is Acharya Devvrat, who took oath as a 48th Chief Justice of India. Answer is B. N. V. Raman. He succeeded S. A. Bobde. Next, which sportswear brand has signed a long-term endorsement deals with cricketers Washington Sundar and Devdutt Padikkal? Answer is A. Puma. Next, author of a book The Living Mountain, a Fable for Our Times. Answer is A. Amitav Ghosh. Amit Mistry passed away recently. He paid what percent pre-COVID dividends on equity shares? Answer is D. 50%. Here, dividend is a part of a profit given to the shareholders because of uncertainty due to the COVID-19. RBI allowed it to give only 50% dividend. Next, who is the author of ebook titled Climate Change Explained for One and All? Answer is D. Akash Renisan. Next, name the Padma Vibhushan awardee, Indian Islamic scholar and peace activist who passed away recently. Answer is A. Maulana Wahiduddin Khan. Next, what is the theme of Leaders Summit on Climate 2021? Answer is D. Our Collective Sprint to 2030. Next, BRO Forum for Asia Annual Conference 2021 was held in. Answer is C. China. Next, Andhra Pradesh signed a MOU with which company to provide skill development training to 1.6 lakh students and unemployed youth? Answer is A. Microsoft. Andhra Pradesh signed MOU with Microsoft. CM of Andhra Pradesh is Jagan Mohan Reddy. Union government has set a target to achieve how much tons of a mustard production by 25 to 2026? Answer is A. 17 million tons. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.